Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the Cryptometrics show. Today we're going to talk about what's the best strategy to invest in cryptocurrency. But first, let's take a look at the market and see what changes are happening in the moment. Okay, Bitcoin holding strong. Let's see, maybe we're gonna see a new all-time high by next week. Very probably. Ethereum very strong also. Binance still has a resistance around 650, but I think it's the proper value for Binance right now. Dogecoin still overvalued in my opinion. But still own Dogecoin, so don't think I'm a hater of Dogecoin. Okay. Ethereum Classic also went down. It was $150 yesterday. So the small coins had a little bit of a correction. Pancake swap around $38. Okay. If you wanna take a look at OMI is a pretty good buy right now. It went down a little bit this night. It's around 0.048 at the moment. Very good buy right now. Okay. And now, how to invest in cryptocurrency? The best strategy is dollar cost average. If you know what dollar cost average, that's like if you want, let's say you want to invest like 10,000, then you're gonna split that in like 12 months. So every month you're gonna put in like $833. And if you want to do it, there's more ways to do dollar cost average. You can even split it into weeks, or like twice a week, or how you like let's say $800 every month. You split it into 4 weeks, so that's 200 every week. So you can put like 100 on Tuesday and 100 on Friday, and so you don't lose a lot of money on one investment. So let me explain to you dollar cost average. Let's go over to the Bitcoin chart. Or actually, let's go to the Dogecoin chart. That's the Dogecoin. So here, okay. Now we have the chart. Let me grab my stylus. Okay. Let's go to the 1 hour. Yeah, the 1 hour is actually pretty fine. Okay. So let's say you've been doing dollar cost average on Dogecoin the last time, and here, and let's say you started buying, I don't know, when Elon Musk started tweeting when it was around 3 cents. Okay, so you buy first week, you buy here, then 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 you also buy here, and here, and here, and here, and here, and so on. So you always get the highs and the dips by this strategy. So you will get the average price for all of your entries. You can do it in Excel and calculate everything, like which price you bought exactly, what's your average price. There are some examples for it, how you can do it online. Just Google it. I'm gonna link some links down below also. So let's say why is it better to do dollar cost average? Let's say you went in on the hype and you put in like here or here, let's say here, you put here like 100k in it. Okay, 100k, and it was at 40 cents and it went down to 20 cents. So your 100k would have been worth at this point only 50k. Okay, that's clear. Okay, so okay, But with this strategy, you also bought you bought down at the 3 cents, at the 4 cents, at the 5 cents, 6 cents, 8 cents, 9 cents, and then you bought also on the way up, and also when it dipped again here, and you also bought when it went up again, then you bought when it dipped again, dip, and now it's still going up, okay? So that's the power of dollar cost average. Imagine, let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart also, so because it's a much better example. Okay, Bitcoin USD. So let's go over to the monthly or weekly. Yeah, let's do the weekly chart. So like this. Okay. Actually, let's go to the daily chart. Better. Okay. So here, let's say you started I started investing in Bitcoin around 2016, end of 2016, beginning of 2018. Okay, and let's see here. I bought here one, and I bought also here one. Wait, let's do it again with so here. So let's say this is the chart for 2017 to 2018. Okay, so let's say you were buying Bitcoin every day here, you get the point. So, and you also bought the top, then you bought by the dip, and then it was this crypto winter in Bitcoin. So you've made very good gains. If you were buying dollar cost average into Bitcoin, you could have even bought when the coronavirus started. Where is actually the coronavirus? On the 13th of March. Where is it? Here. So here you can see the Bitcoin price was 3,600. So if you did dollar cost average, then you probably would have bought 800 worth of it at that time. So what you can also do is when you see a big dip like that, you can take maybe take the money for 2 weeks or for a whole month and put it in if you think it's a good timing, or you can even take for 2 months or 3 months if you really think it's a very good buy, then go for it. And never sell. Only if you want to take profit, everyone can take profit, but always keep a little bit in your bags. Don't forget that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment and like. And we will see us again next time. Bye bye.